Hey everyone, this is Carrie from Soundproofed, and this is another quick demo about adding a second layer of drywall to your walls and using green glue with it, and especially when you use QuietRock drywall as your second layer of drywall. I'll call this the jackhammer test, because this was recorded with actual jackhammers going right in front of my building. This is a project that's been going on for months in my neighborhood, so you can imagine how a little bit of soundproofing can help. So first, here's what the jackhammers sound like with one window slightly open. I've included the decibel measurements. And there's no QuietRock and no green glue in this room. This is the front room. Next, I'll close the window, but I'll stay in the same spot. Again, there's no soundproofing here. I have insulation in the walls and double pane windows, but no QuietRock and no green glue. Now, let's go to the QuietRock room. This room was modified with QuietRock drywall and green glue. So you can see where the maximum decibel level in the front room with the window open was 82 decibels. In the same room with the window closed, it was 72 decibels. And in the QuietRock room, the maximum decibel level was 58 decibels. So it's not silent, and you'll probably never get silent when you have jackhammering blasting outside your window. But that amount of noise reduction is worth it to me. If you think this solution might help you, here's an idea of the material costs, not including labor. And if you want to know more about the modifications I made in this room, see the other Soundproofed video about QuietRock and Green Glue. And for more information on acoustics in general, visit soundproofed.com.